Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is how to make air-fried okra with a beer batter. Now it's really simple. This is fresh okra out of my garden. You can go to a local farmer's market, wherever, get fresh okra. I can't reiterate how important that is. Cut these little end pieces off. Some people fry them up. I don't like them. I just discard those. And, the bigger pieces of okra, the smaller, doesn't really matter when you're frying. You can see here that's about the size that I like, personal preference. You can see I've got the tip. See that little end piece? I kept that. That's good. The other end, in my opinion, is not good. You can find the batter like I'm using in this video, linked within this video's description. It has a little bit of spice with it, but man, it's super good and it's super simple. So what I do, I put some of that batter out of the bag into a mixing bowl, and then I grab a beer. You're afraid of people from church seeing you buying beer. You don't have to buy the alcoholic beer. You get non-alcoholic. And just see how much beer I'm pouring in there. That depends upon how much okra you're going to fry. And then just get a spoon. I'm just using a mixing bowl. I just got a spoon, regular spoon, man. Just, mixed it up. So that's just beer and that batter. And you can find that batter linked within this video's description. Most any grocery store probably have it too. And then... So you got all your okra already cut, and what you want to do is put that okra in that bowl. Look at that. And then after you put it in there, you're going to want to mix it around thoroughly because you want your okra pieces to have a really good batter. Look at that. See how that is? They're all nicely coated. That's super important. And don't put too much beer because if you make your batter too runny, it's not going to stick that well. So it's a matter of, experimenting with it. Like most anything else, 309 degrees for, I'm going to start out with 11 minutes, but I may change that. Here's my okra. Put it in there, just pulled it out of my mixing bowl, man. Put it in the air fryer. You can find the air fryer like I use linked within this video's description too. And I also encourage you to subscribe to my channel and check out the air fry with IrixGuy video playlist. I've got a ton of air fryer recipes. I love this thing. Okay, so we're checking in on it here. We've got about, from that initial time, we've got about 734. Now notice when I shake it, it doesn't move. Just don't worry about that. Now I'm going to spray it. This is just olive oil. And, it's good. The olive oil is going to give it that coloration and extra crispiness. Because you're not deep frying. This is a lot healthier way to enjoy fried okra. So I spritzed it with the olive oil. Now I'm checking back in again here, man. And 442 remaining. And you can see it's still, it's kind of stuck. Am I a poor chef? Did I not do my job right? Well, let's just see. Let's see what happens here. Don't judge me yet. And enjoy my fine beverage. Had to get out another one. Now we got about a minute and 15 seconds. It's still stuck, man. It's not moving. It's not moving, man. Oh, yeah. I got that little tool that I put in there that won't damage my air fryer. I just kind of break it up and stir it around and then spritz it with some more olive oil. This doesn't have to be a fancy or complicated process, man. It's just about getting some okra out of your garden or your farmer's market, getting you a can of beer, and some batter. Let's not overcomplicate this. Now, 5 minutes at 400. Now, I'm not going to do all 5 minutes, but just watch. So, see, I've got 3 minutes remaining. A little bit less than 3 minutes. You can see it's really starting to get that crispiness and that coloration that one would expect from properly fried okra. Look at that. And see, I've used my tool. I've broken it apart. It's almost impossible to tell that it was just a big clump that wouldn't, when I tried to flip it around, it wouldn't flip around. The person eating this isn't going to care. They're not even going to know, man. You don't have to be all fancy when you're cooking this. Okay, so we're going to put in a little bit longer. Ooh, I got 36 seconds remaining. Oh, yes, sir. Look at that. That good golden brown. If you could only smell it and touch it in your hands, the texture of that is perfect. And then I'm going to spray just a little bit more olive oil. You know what? maybe I'm gonna do it just a little bit longer, just to make it a little bit extra crispy. You know, get that crunch, that satisfying crunch. Okay, so I'm putting it up 400 there, and let's see. I'm gonna do just a minute or so. So we're gonna. Oh, look at that! Perfect. And again, experiment. Check it periodically towards the end. Get that perfect coloration, that perfect crunch that you desire. What I like, you may not like. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Share with others. And thanks for your viewership. Enjoy. It's super simple. And it is just, oh man, I love it. I really do. I love it. See you later. And be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do. And that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And check out all of Chef IrixGuy's cooking videos. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.